How to use a comma in English. 6 important rules. Lingportal Online School presents What is a comma? A comma is a punctuation mark that indicates a short pause and is used to separate words or parts of a sentence in writing. Here is a tiny thing that looks like a full stop with a short tail towards the bottom. The comma is so tiny that it is even hard to spot in a sentence or text. But it plays an immense role in English grammar overall. Why is a comma needed in a sentence? Memorize 6 rules for using a comma in a sentence. It's used. 1. Comma is used to separate nouns in a list. For example, I will always bring home oranges, strawberries, and ice cream. 2. Comma is used in compound sentences. Just in case, compound sentences are the combination of simple sentences and connecting words such as so, and, but. Here are the examples. I like swimming, so I visit the swimming pool regularly. I like cooking, but I don't like cleaning after it. 3. Comma is used to separate clauses in a sentence. If you study hard, focus on a subject, think attentively, then you'll pass an exam with flying colours. 4. Comma is used before and after a clause or phrase, which does not carry important meaning, but provides only additional, non-essential information. My renovated house, which is located in the suburbs, has become truly cosy. 5. Comma is used in a complex sentence to separate an independent clause from a dependent clause. The sentence can also begin with such words as although, whenever, though, because. Because I like swimming, I visit a swimming pool regularly. 6. Comma is used in a tag question to separate it from the main sentence. It was a fantastic evening, wasn't it? You have a meeting today, right? Okay, now you know what a comma is and where it should be placed in a sentence, it is also important to add that this is not a complete list of rules when using a comma in English grammar. But by starting with them and practicing regularly, you will know all the rules for using not only the comma, but the rest of punctuation marks. Today, I want to leave you with a quick quiz. You'll see a text without punctuation. Pause the video and put the missing punctuation marks appropriately. Hello, my name is Vincent. I live in a big city and I live with my relatives. I live with my brother, 2 cousins, parents and my aunt. We all play volleyball at the weekends and love having picnics when the weather is nice. We usually go on holiday in July and our favourite destination is Italy. This is because we all love the Italian restaurants and the weather in Italy is much better than in my city. Okay friends, did you manage to put the punctuation marks? What are your thoughts? Now, check your answers. Hello, my name is Vincent. I live in a big city and I live with my relatives. I live with my brother, 2 cousins, parents and my aunt. We all play volleyball at the weekends and love having picnics when the weather is nice. We usually go on holiday in July and our favourite destination is Italy. This is because we love Italian restaurants and the weather in Italy is much better than in my city. Friends, please share your answers in the comments below this video. Thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.